Do you want to know the possible problems while creating your first online course? Then this video is for you, and please don't hesitate because almost everyone faces these type of problems while creating their first course. So let's start this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel then please subscribe to it, and thanks for tuning in here. Hi, my name is RCP Gade, and in this video I will talk about the 6 common problems that are faced by online course creators while creating their first course. Let me cover what are the common problems that are faced by almost every creator. Number 1 problem is designing course curriculum, where people is stuck while creating their first online course. They know their niche, they know what to create, but they have a lot of information. They got overwhelmed and they don't know how to design their curriculum because internet is accessible to everyone. So everyone is having the access to same information. Now the problem with course creator is what information to include, what information is not to include, and how to design curriculum. The solution for this is information is available for everyone having access to information, but you should design your curriculum in such a way that you present that information in actionable information mode. Person who is watching your course or person who is going through your course should able to take action based upon the information provided by you, and that is going to give your students results that differentiate your courses from the information available on internet. So to design your course curriculum, I recommend you to follow some model. What successful course creators are doing, how they are designing their course curriculum. Don't copy exactly, but you can follow model that they are giving you 3 days course, they are giving you 5-day course, and a ideal situation or a ideal curriculum you can find by going through some 5-6 courses and their curriculum. Based upon that, decide your ideal curriculum and modify that based upon your information available or based upon your niche. So this is the problem faced by almost every online course creator while creating their first online course. So don't worry, and if you found this problem genuine, please comment below that number 1 problem is genuine. And number 2 is how to teach effectively. In the starting, what happens, we don't know how to teach effectively, or sometimes most of us don't know how to teach effectively. They try to present information, but they can present that in such a way that may be boring for their students. So what to do? You have to learn some techniques that how to teach effectively. You have to learn speaking skill, you have to learn the gamification in the videos, and you have to learn the engaging tips, how to engage people in your courses so that they can complete the course. In the online course industry, course completion rate is 10% for paid courses. It may be low for free courses, but people are buying courses but they are not completing. Why? Because the courses are not so engaging, courses are not so effective. The teaching way of the course creator is not so effective that encourage their students to complete the course. So learn some teaching techniques and learn some effective techniques, engaging techniques. By doing that, you can make your course a very successful course. And if you found this tip very useful, then please comment below that this is very useful, so I know that you able to identify what I am trying to say you. And number 3 problem faced by first time online course creator is finding a mentor. They get overwhelmed and they don't find a correct mentor. Nowadays there are so many people creating courses and establishing themselves as a mentor, but what happening, they are not doing the thing they are teaching. They are not following the golden triangle of education: learning, doing and teaching. They are just learning and teaching. They are missing the part of doing. And by missing that part, they can't teach you effectively and they can't teach you the practical problems faced while you creating the courses. They are just depend upon information receiving, processing in their head and representing in their way. And that is not the right way. If you are doing like that, then there is no mean that you are delivering a great course. So if you are creating a course on something, then you should first learn that thing, do that thing and then teach that thing. And find a mentor. It will take you through the success journey. And it is not a difficult task to find a correct mentor. Find correct mentor so that you have successful course creation journey. Next problem faced by first time online course creator is lack of environmental support. What we do while we creating online courses, we isolate ourselves and we try to produce good quality content, but that is not the right way. If you are not in the right environment, your content may not be good. But if you are in the right environment, then there is high chances that your content is very good. So please be in the right environment. Join a community. You will find the community. I am also creating a community of online course creators. You can join that community also. My community name is Youth Info Hub. And in Youth Info Hub, what we are doing? We all are the course creators. We are learning from each other and we are doing the things effectively. Whatever new things or effective manners a person is learning, that is delivering that to other members also. And by doing that, we are able to maintain an environment of course creators and that environments push us every day to take some action. And if you are not in the right environment, you may feel procrastination and you may be procrastinating if you are doing it alone. So please be in the right environment, join a right community and help each other. You will find the link to join my community and there we will grow together. Number 5 problem is recording videos. Video recording skill is most demanded skill right now because everyone is habitual to watch videos. It may be learning, it may be entertaining, it may be something other than that, but everyone is used to watch videos and we don't try to read books, we try to watch videos. That's why you will find that 20 to 30% books are available in video format also and 90% of books are available in audio format also. So recording video is not an easy task. While looking from outside, it seems that recording video is very easy. Sit down in front of camera and record the video. But that is not the reality. In reality, when you start off, you face fear of camera and you can't record 2-3 videos in a day. But when you grow gradually, you come out of that camera fear and you can record the videos very easily. But in the starting, you face that problem. While recording videos, if you having the fear of camera, then you can lose your creativity because in fear, you can't deliver great content. And that is the thing that holding them behind. So from day one, try to make videos. Try to communicate with your community members on video calls. Try to send video messages to your dear and near ones so that you will lose the fear of camera and you will be good at making videos. And if you finding these problems practical, then please like this video and share with others. And please don't think that you are facing all these problems, how you will come out. There is the way and you can come out very easily if you are having the right mindset. People should not hold back themselves that I am facing this problem. I am making this video to tell you that almost everyone facing these problems. So please don't hold yourself back if you are facing these problems. Number 6 and last problem of this video is setting up tools. How many times you have got confused in deciding tools? I got confused often, because when you are going to decide a tool, then you are going to search on that tool, and if you do research, if you read reviews of that tools, if you watch review video of that tool, then you are going to be fit in the advertisement segment of the similar tools, and you will see the advertisements. And sometimes if you search for review, then also you are going to see the advertisement results on the top of Google search. So what happens, your mind clicks to read out that review, and you find that one tool is best in this section, second tool is best in this section, then one tool is best in this section, then second tool is best in this section, and you got confused. So the first problem is you will face in deciding tools, and if you are following a mentor, you will find a list of recommended tools, and that will help you in deciding your tools, and that will help you in moving forward at right time. And if you are wasting so much of your time in deciding your tools, then you are lagging behind from the competition. So please don't lag behind, and decide tools promptly based upon the recommendations, based upon the reviews. Don't take too much of time in taking decision for tools or which tool to use. And then next is setting up tools. After creating videos, you have to upload your videos in your learning management system. You have to set up your email automations. If these all are getting you overwhelmed and getting you holding back, then you are not the only one. There are also some people who are fearing of setting up tools and who are procrastinating on setting up of their tools. Don't worry, you will set up. Please don't quit. My aim to make this video is to make you familiar with the common problems that are faced by first time course creators. This is not to give you the fear, or this is not to tell you that you can't create. These are the common problems. This video is to motivate you that these problems are faced by some other persons also. These are the common problems. If you search on internet, then you find that these are the common problems faced by almost every online course creator. And if you can afford, you can outsource. But if you are a person who can't afford, you want to do things at your own, then also you can learn. So keep consistency and don't quit. You will learn everything and you will set up everything. So how you found this video? Please tell me in the comment box. And are you ready to break through these problems? Then also please comment that I am ready to break through these problems, and tell me which problem is your main problem that you think required more time to break through. So I can tell you techniques how to come out of that problem in my further videos. Please comment below that which problem is impacting you the highest, and I will tell you the techniques. By following that, you can come out of that problem. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it and share the video with relevant people. I am very happy that people are watching my videos continuously and getting value. But if you can share with the relevant people, they may get help, and I will also get help in growing my YouTube channel. Thank you.